Hello there. This is Land Cruiser 300. We have been waiting for this car for 14 years. This car is an investment and a legend. Such monumental models produced by Toyota and Lexus take a long time. Each car brand has a legend of its own. For example, Mercedes has its G-Class. Leather, leather, leather. I liked this leather more than the previous model. Everything is soft here. First of all, we gotta say that it is insanely quiet in here and the engine is running. The engine is V6 biturbo with 415 horsepower on board. There is Camry. We bought one. We are very happy. Wow. Thanks to TNGA-F platform, it goes gently and smooth. It became nimble. The rear axle remained uncut. I feel great throttle response. Now we are in a drive mode. If the car is good in drive mode, then it will go good in Sport and Sport Plus modes as well. Wow, what a beast! A rocket! Let's see how it accelerates. Ready, steady, go!
Вернее, он.
Hello Horror 100. It will be a mega hit of sales. They gave it more speed and dynamics. Toyota just started to equip biturbo and turbo engines on this cruiser model. It has projection. This is the top trim, which is called 70 Anniversary. Everything connects here. It has all modern Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But we still have only Bluetooth in our Camry 2020 and a cassette player. Let's look at its acceleration in roll. It gains speed just great. Engine has a pleasant roar. Oh, Toyota, you make us wait for a long time and then you make us happy.
Так, на старт. Внимание, марш. Немножко дорога в горку. Все.
Да, и тормоза брали.
The brakes are good in general. This has never happened before. By the way, we have good brakes in Camry too. This is clear that such fundamental cars cannot change so quickly. Reliability, comfort, and dynamics have merged into this new creation. The whole weight distribution has changed. The engine is displaced behind the front axle and farther down. The car became lighter, about 200 kilograms lighter. It uses plastic in its body parts. Of course, this car is probably a dream for many people. It doesn't have air suspension. There's a conventional suspension with smart magnetic fluid dampers. Okay, maneuverability. But this is not maneuverability of Land Cruiser. It doesn't lose anything. It doesn't lose trajectory. Braking is great. So I drove around this hole. Wow, it's very good. It goes great on high speeds and low speeds as well. Toyota invented dot markings and added fingerprint scanner for safety issues.
Точки, плюс здесь идет запуск с отпечатком пальца.
Toyota is an interesting brand and it is developing. It takes into account their mistakes, in contrast for some famous brands.
Имеет свои, как говорится,
This is the previous Land Cruiser 200. The man turned his head out.
мы крайние.
Yeah, you gotta buy the new one. He probably thought his cruiser was the last one. Check out the internet. There are tons of information on this new car there. Internet is everywhere and replaces everything. And advertising on the internet is the most effective advertising.
Вот этого ему не хватало.
This is what it lacked so long. I mean dynamics and handling. It goes like a song. Japanese folk song. Or as I call him, Kruzak of all Russia.
Я Руси. Вот вам новый.
Here's a new legend, comrades.
Наверное, еще шумоподавитель.
There are probably some noise suppressing system.
Музыка на
It has GBL music. The speed camera is near. Release the brakes.
стоят.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Retard, retard.
Сейчас камера будет. Справляй. Тормози.